Okay, from an iPhone, let's say you eat common snacks like pretty much every day, or let's say you made a recipe of your favorite soup from scratch and you measured out all of your items and you input the entire thing into MyFitnessPal. So I'm in my diary, I'm under lunch. I eat these snacks a lot every day, and the measurements vary by gram a little bit, but I want to save this entire thing as a meal in order to load it again quickly without having to add all 5, 6, 7 ingredients over and over and over one by one. So I scrolled down to lunch, and it has all my items. Below where it says add food in blue, on the right of that, there's 3 dots. Touch the 3 dots, and then touch save as meal. Now you can add a photo of it, you can name your meal. I'm gonna name this lunch snacks because I just eat it repeatedly so much, it saves me time. It doesn't matter if you share with public or private, I just leave it alone. You can scroll down to triple check what's in it. You can add notes for yourself on the bottom under directions or where that typing thing was, and there it is. And you can still, in the upper right hand corner, click save. Let's say, and it says meal created, it's been added to my meals, dismiss. Let's go to tomorrow and add it. Add food. Now on the top bar under lunch, it says all recipes, meals, my foods. Meals is under yesterday's lunch. I'm going to touch that. But then you could also choose lunch snacks because that's what I named it. And there is everything. And then on the upper right hand corner, I'll touch the check mark. There it is, lunch for tomorrow. And you can change it. Like let's say I didn't have 54 grams of carrots. I only have 44. You can change it.